Come back. In this question, we'll be solving another question on construction of scale. It said construct a scale of half full size to read up to 5 decimeter in centimeter and millimeter. Like I said in the previous video, I said once your scale has 3 units, here we have millimeter, we have centimeter, and we have decimeter. So that means it is a diagonal scale. So the next thing we want to do too is to, just like we did in here, we're going to determine the length of the scale. To do that, we start, in this case, we are not given the ratio directly. But when you say 1 all over 2 full size, that means the ratio is 1 to 2. So your ratio will be equal to 1 to 2. And your RF has been given directly to be 1 over 2, 1 all over 2. Then your LS, which is the length of scale, is maximum measurable length on the scale multiplied by the RF, and our RF is 1 over 2. Maximum measurable length on the scale is here, given as 5 decimeter. So it will be 5 decimeter. And now 5 decimeter is the same thing as, you have to convert it to millimeter. That will be 100 millimeter. That will be 1 all over 2 multiplied by 100. So let me check it again. 5 decimeter in centimeter and millimeter. 5 decimeter, yes. Here 1, here 2, 20. Sorry, there's a mix-up in the question. It is 1/4, not half. Construct a scale of 1/4 full size. So that means this one will be 1 all over 1/4 full size. Don't forget that it is 5 decimeter. That's what I mixed up there. It is 5 decimeter. It is 5 decimeter, so it will be 500. 5 decimeter is equal to 500 millimeter. By the time you divide it here, 2 here 1, 2 in 5, it is 2. Remember 1 in 10, 5 in 0, 0. So it's the LS is 250 millimeter. So that's the length of the scale that we're going to use. So let us now begin the construction of our scale. The first thing, you draw a horizontal line. I want to bring it down this time around. Draw a horizontal line, pick the starting point, draw a vertical line there, then measure 125. This is 120, so 125 is here. So at that point too, you draw another vertical line. Then don't forget measure 5. Although this 5 is not basic. If you like, you can measure 10. You can measure whatever length you like, but I always prefer to use 5. So when I use 5, from 10 to 5, that's 5 cm. So put it here now and draw the horizontal line. Now this is my 125. Because the question says that to read up to 5 decimeter, that's the maximum measurable length. It means on the scale, on land, here to here is equal to 5 decimeter. So here to here is equal to 5 decimeter. So you now need to divide it into 5 equal parts. Remember in the first question, when it was 4 decimeter, we divided it into 4 equal parts. But this one, it is 5. So we are dividing into 5 equal parts. So you get a scale line at any angle of your choice, and you divide it and you mark 5 equal points. I want to use 2, 2. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will join the last one, the last edge of my line to the end of the line that I want to divide, that is this place now, I'll join them together like this, and I hold my set square firmly, put this my ruler under the set square, then I'll extend this one here like this. No. Like this. Do the next one like this. Shift it. Don't allow the ruler to shift because if you shift, the lines will not be parallel again to the last one. So since I want to draw, let me shift it again. So like that. So I have my points now. So the next thing is to draw vertical lines from those points. Put my C-square again. Put this one on it here. Take this one vertically upward. The next one too, vertically upward. The next one vertically upward. And the last one vertically upward. Like that. So the next step is to, this one will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one will be, because this place is decimeter, then the unit before decimeter is centimeter. So this side with centimeter, we need to divide it into 10 equal parts. Again, let us use scale line as usual. Draw it at an angle and measure 10 equal divisions. 10 equal divisions. This is 1. I'm using 55 mm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'll join the last one to the end of the line, then transfer it to other places like this. So I'll put my ruler under it. First of all, let me draw this one like this, then transfer to other points. Like that. Transfer to other points. This. Go to the next one. This. Go to the next one. This. To the next one. This. The next one. So make sure you don't, the ruler under that doesn't shift. But if you shift, the lines will not be parallel. And the last one, like this. So the next thing now is to transfer all these points to the bottom. One after the other. Transfer them to the bottom, like this. Mark it there. Move to the next one. Mark it, move to the next one, mark, move to the next one, mark, move to the next one, mark it there, to the next one. I'm transferring all these points here to the bottom. Mark it. So this point now, I'll transfer it to the bottom, move it to the next one. This one, I'll transfer it to the bottom, and the last one, I'll transfer it to the bottom. Now I'm done. So the next thing is to now draw our diagonals. How do we draw the diagonals? This is 0 connected to 1. Like this, connected to 1. You can see it's giving us a diagonal line like this. The next one, this is 1 connected to 2. Like that. This is 2 connected to 3. Like that. So 3 to 4. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and the last one 9 to 10. So that's the diagonal. So now remaining, we have been able to draw the line for the I'm able to draw the line for the centimeter. We are left with the millimeter side. I want to thicken all the lines. and we chicken this one too, and the bottom. So now to do this one too, you have to draw a scale line, but because I've done it in order to reduce the length of the video, I'll just measure. But when you are doing your own, make sure you use this method to draw your division. I want to measure just for 5 mm so that I can just do it on time so that the video will be short. 5 mm, because 5 cm divided by 5 will give us 0.5 cm. That's 5 mm. So just measure it. But when you are doing your, make sure you do it like this. Don't just do it directly like that. So after that, now you draw all the horizontal lines one after the other. Draw the horizontal lines. Draw the horizontal lines. Draw the horizontal line. Draw the horizontal line. That's it. So that's how to design a diagonal scale. That's how to design a diagonal scale. Yeah, that is it. So that is that with the A part of the question, and the B part of the question says that we should indicate 236 millimeter. 236 millimeter is the same thing as saying 2.36 decimeter. The same thing, or you say 23.6 centimeter. It's the same thing. So now remember, this is in centimeter, this side will be in millimeter. Millimeter, let us number them. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now to indicate 2, 3, so you can indicate 2 decimeter here. This is 2. Now the next one is 3 centimeter. 1, 2, 3. That's 2.3 centimeter, and this is actually 2.36 decimeter. So on this 3 line, you go up by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you dot this place, put a donut there, and put the donut on this other side. This time around, I want to use the other way that you can use. So you just, at that point, you draw a vertical line upward, and the vertical line on 2 too. Take it upward, and you put a horizontal line across the line like this, and you put arrowhead like that, arrowhead like that, and you write 2.3. Okay, according to the question, it is in millimeter, so 236 millimeter. So let us write it the way it is in the question, 236 millimeter. So that's the solution to the question. So if you have enjoyed the video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.